the power of a moment. Have you ever wondered what truly makes someone unforgettable? Not just loved, not just desired, but etched into someone's soul like a soft scar that never fully heals. It's not how sexy you look. It's not how well you move. It's not what you say during sex. It's what you do in silence, what you reveal without showing, what you leave behind when the moment ends. This is a speech for women who don't just want attention, they want to haunt a man's soul in the most beautiful way. So listen carefully. Do this once, and he will cry for you all night without even knowing why. The eye contact that speaks louder than words. There's a moment more intimate than orgasm, more powerful than touch, more vulnerable than words. It's when you look into his eyes and don't look away. Not during climax, not during pleasure, but right after, when everything is still, when the masks drop, when he thinks you're just lying there, relaxed, drifting. You turn to him and lock your eyes into his soul. You don't smile, you don't talk, you just see him completely. And in that moment, you won't understand it, but something inside him will break softly, a crack in his chest. That's where you stay. Whisper a truth he can't see in himself. Men are never told the truth about their pain. They're admired for their strength. But no one touches the boy inside the man, the one that still bleeds in silence. When he's close to you, when the world is quiet and only his breathing fills the space, lean in and whisper something he's never heard before. You carry your pain so well, I almost didn't see it. But now that I do, I can't unsee it, and I love that part of you too. He will not know what to say. He may laugh it off, but deep inside, that little boy will feel seen, maybe for the first time in years. And the man will want to weep. 3, touch him where memory lives. Yes, physical intimacy matters, but how you touch a man can change his entire emotional memory of you. Not just the expected places. Touch the curve of his back with purpose. Run your fingers gently along his forearm, his shoulder blade, the space between his ribs. Hold his hand, not with passion, but with presence. Like you're reading Braille. Like every scar, every curve, every breath means something. This kind of touch doesn't just arouse. It anchors. Later, when he's alone, you'll touch those same places, and your memory will return, like a shadow, soft, warm, haunting. 4, let silence do the talking. You don't always have to moan. You don't always have to speak. Sometimes, what you don't say speaks volume. In the moments between kisses, between movements, between breaths, let silence stretch, lie still. Let your skin talk. Let your breath sync with his heartbeat. And most importantly, don't fill the silence. He may feel uncomfortable, but that's the point. Because in that silence, he will start to feel you inside his mind. Not just on his skin. That's where obsession begins. 5, disrupt his pattern with emotional contrast. Most physical connections become predictable. Touch, rhythm, release, repeat. But you're not just a body. You're a storm with a heartbeat. In the middle of intimacy, break the rhythm. Suddenly hug him tightly. Let a tear fall. Smile in a way that says, I'm here for more than this. Or even stop completely. Place your hand on his heart, look him in the eye, and don't say a word. This unpredictable softness, this emotional interruption, it creates a moment he can't categorize. And because he can't define it, you'll never forget it. 6, leave him with one sentence he'll never forget. Lynn. When it's all done, when his breathing is slow, when the world is, say just one sentence, softly, gently, with no expectations. You're safe with me, even when you're not with me. And then go quiet. Don't wait for a reply. Don't justify it. Let it land like a kiss in his chest. That sentence is a seed. It will grow at 2 a.m. It will bloom when he least expects it. In traffic, in the shower, in his dreams. He won't know why, but he'll feel a lump in his throat. A warmth, a loss, a craving for something he can't name. And it will be you. The aftertaste of love. Listen, any woman can arouse a man, but very few know how to enter his soul and stay there. What makes someone cry for you all night isn't seduction. It's what happens when you see him, hold him, and leave something behind. That thing he can't shake. That feeling he can't explain. That one sentence that echoes in his bones. You're safe with me, even when you're not with me. So don't underestimate the power of presence. The power of stillness, softness, and truth. Do this once, and you will become the kind of woman he never forgets. The kind who doesn't just touch his body, she rearranges his soul. And when night falls, when the world turns quiet, he will cry. but he won't know why.